Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog. I thought to start it like this, so I'm wearing black color spaghetti top and a cream lower. It's from Bonkers. I love how Bonkers they just do a great job. Thumbs up to Bonkers. Sponsor me. I wanted to show you all my OOTD. This is how my OOTD looks like. Changed in my comfiest outfit. This is the oversized t-shirt and this is the lower. It's from Burger and this is from Petra, Mumbai. We are in the kitchen as you can see and we are hungry. So we're going to make garlic bread, me and my sister. She's chopping the garlic. Perk of having younger sisters. जो गार्लिक ब्रेड हम खाते हैं बनाकर जो गार्लिक ब्रेड हम बनाकर खाएंगे that's our way of making garlic bread. That is not an authentic way to make a garlic bread at home, but it is what it is. You guys will love it because it's very easy process to make and eat. And rest you will see with the video. Here are the ingredients. So this is the chopped garlic with the garlic seasoning क्योंकि हमें आलस आ रहा था काटने में. This is the parsley. Then we have oregano and chili flakes with us, butter, and a small pan where you just melt the butter, and a bowl to mix all of it. How the garlic bread looks like. Now we'll taste. I'm back in my room. It's 11:30 at night currently. Ignore this. I'm super exhausted. I want you guys to give it a try whenever you will watch this video and do let me know in comment section कि आपको कैसी लगी. Yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll see you super soon. You know your thing. Do subscribe. Ta-da!